Hi, in this video we're going to look at ionic bonding between sodium and fluorine. So we've got our question here which gives us our information regarding the ionic bonding, and then we've got our question. And we'll start off by bugging the question. We'll box the command word, so we're going to describe. And in there we're now going to underline the key parts within the question. So we want to describe what happens when a sodium atom reacts with a fluorine atom to form an ionic compound. So, pause your video for a moment, have a go at the question, and then unpause. Okay, because this is a straightforward describe question, all we're going to do is we're going to describe what's occurring within this diagram. The first thing to note is you have your sodium going from this to this, and in that change, it is losing its outer shell electron. So the first point we can make is that the sodium loses its electron. Okay, the converse side, the fluorine, is gaining that electron. So you can see here the fluorine has 7 electrons, and here it's gained the electron from the sodium. So the fluorine gains an electron. Take care with your spelling of fluorine. Students often get it OU rather than UO. Okay, the next step on this is we would want to see how many electrons have been transferred. And you should be able to see that there's 1 electron there, and that's been transferred there. So we say that 1 electron has been transferred. Now what we can also see now is that this sodium atom here has now become a sodium ion here. It has gained a positive charge. So we can say that the sodium has gained a positive charge. And the same on the fluorine, we can say this fluorine currently has no charge, and over here it now has a negative charge. So we could say the fluorine has gained a negative charge. Now, a little bit further on from that, we could also go on to say that each of these elements now has, each of these ions now has a full outer shell. And that makes them more stable. And another final point is we could say that because these are positive and negative, they are now going to be attracted to each other. So the opposite charges attract charges. Now what you should be able to see here is this is a describe question, and each of these statements is just describing what's occurring in this diagram. Any 4 of these would get you 4 marks. So again, 4 points to make, any 4 of those would do it, and it's a simple, because we've used a describe question, it's just describing what's occurring.